This side here. Welcome to day 15 of my 1 minute 1 story series. Today I'm thinking to redo the curtain that I have here. But this curtain here is kind of like block from the outside. I'm planning to cut this off and then run another curtain right here. In a sec, I'm recording something.
What are you recording?
Actually, do you mind holding the camera for me? Just
No,
like that, pointing it to the curtain.
Wait, is that a video?
So I'm thinking to put this in here, right? And I just remove
Why do
this
you
one
need some privacy?
because I live in the car, and then I can store it kind of like here.
Why do you need to store that kind of like
I'm recording the video. I'm talking to the cameras.
Oh!
You get it?
Yeah, I get it.
Okay, thank you. Okay, you can stop. It's rolling, and then you gotta point at me. Okay.
I'm gonna.
So 2 screws.
I'm gonna
Recording.
point at you.
I'm gonna drill to here.
I'm pointing at the camera right now.
Okay. Point it to here. Ooh. I think I cracked it.
Crack! What did you crack?
The wood.
The wood. What wood?
But that's okay.
I hope you do. And when you sleep, you don't fall your head and then slide down into the car. I can't see anything. I think I got it.
You think?
No. Which side?
This side.
This
My left.
heavy camera.
Yeah.
I got it.
No, you don't have to be this close.
Did that cut your finger?
Ouch. Okay.
Ouch. Wait, did it cut your finger?
It's done. Now we can walk back.
Walk
Back to the door and face this way. Then you can see the whole pictures.
away.
No, point there. Point there. Point
Walk
there.
away.
No, point there.
Point there.
Yes. Dun 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 dun. It's pretty good, right?
This camera is so heavy.
Yeah, it is.
How do you hold this camera every day?
So I can run this
Run what?
there, like this.
Where?
Is it a good idea? I think it's a pretty good idea. Yeah.
What is that thing?
So yeah, it's a success. I'll cut this. Point this. Point this.
Where? I got this camera is too heavy for me.
Man, you're not getting paid for sure. I'm gonna cut this. I'm gonna remove this one.
It's so hot today.
Okay, it's done. Can you say, I'm gonna point it to you,
Be kind to other people and be kind to what?
to yourself.
To yourself.
Okay, do it again.
You say
No, no.
bye. Okay.
Your turn.